dinner time. Still working. Printing stuff out. Almost there. Just a little bit more to go. 100-ish more name envelopes to print. And then I'm going to build my computer. Time has come. I've got it here on the table ready to work on it. And I need to clean it out. I realized I haven't cleaned it all summer long, so it's kind of dirty, kind of embarrassed. You can like see the dust on there, so I need to clean it. Whoops. Whoops! Nice to have it open. I can fix stuff up, re-glue some things, dust everything off, getting things looking nice and neat. It's not bad I got this pulled out. My card is a little less cool than I thought it should be. Problem 1 encountered. So this computer fits this board, was specifically built for it, has specific measurements, and this board, yeah, that's a little bit bigger than that one. Problem solving time. Hopefully emphasis on the solving part. Alright, let's see. Does this work? Yeah, I'm not surprised. You see we got this thing up here. This is the part I was worried about. Yeah, right there. That has 8 spots. I have 6. Usually you need 8 for 8. She is alive! I like the numbers, that's kind of cool. I'm assuming they'd tell me something. 85. Alright. I wonder what 85 means. Hopefully it's not an air. So we're not gonna have any bad dreams tonight, right?
Hopefully not.
Okay. I woke up crying last night. I was so sad. I was like, blood. Oh. Anyways, we're probably out of time on the camera. Good night.